Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to predict a poem by looking at the given pictures, comprehend simple questions related to the given pictures, read the poem aloud in the class, respond to the text post-reading to express how they take the poem, comprehend and respond to simple questions, pronounce short vowel sounds and pair of words, for example, E, A, O, U, U, I. Recognize and identify the short vowel sounds and pairs of words, that is, E, A, O, U, and U, I. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and express feelings and achievements. Creatively comprehend the text from the book and pen down it in their own words. Use short vowel words in sentence making. Classify, pronounce, and practice short vowel sounds and pairs of E, A, O, U, U, I. Enhance the vocabulary with the words, long and short vowel sounds from the text. Recognize specific parts of words, including common inflectional endings. Honorable teacher, let me explain what inflectional endings mean. This means change in the form of the word to show difference in meaning. Inflectional endings. For example, let's take the word used earlier in the SLOs. Transition is the word, and if we make another word from transition, that is transitional, so this AL sound, transitional, will be inflectional ending of the word transitional, that is made from transition. Write the short vowel words and pair with E, A, O, U, U, I sound. Identify and recognize the similar words and sounds. Identify and differentiate between countable and uncountable nouns. Recall changing number of simple naming words by adding and removing S and ES. Identify and change the number of nouns by adding IES and ES after words ending in Y, O, etc. Change the number of irregular nouns. Classify and change the gender of nouns from immediate and extended environment, masculine, feminine, neuter. Identify the short vowel pairs of words from the poem. And finally, describe